Morning, ladies, and welcome to week 2 of our Coffee and Card online class. Thank you so much for all your photos of your first card. It was wonderful to receive them, and I think you all did absolutely brilliant. And thank you for your comments. You all enjoyed it as well. That was wonderful to hear. I'm concentrating on, I'll just show you the inside of this. We've used the little fox and it's wishing you all the best. And it's to show you that the paper, background paper, can kind of sing in one of these cards because you don't really need a lot else. So I think when we are in a rush and we need to make some really quick Christmas cards, then it's good to use the designer series paper, and I think the peaceful cabin one is exceptional. So first of all, we're going to attach the designer series paper to the grey cardstock, and we're going to do this with liquid glue. Even the other side is well, in fact, I don't think I'd use this side because the side that we're using is so beautiful. It's a shame to use the other side and waste this one. It's it's starry, it looks like it's snowing, and the trees are beautiful. Now we're just going to attach this to the front of the card, again with liquid glue. I know a few of you when you mailed me, you asked about the dies. So later on, I have the dies, so I'll take them out and just go through them for you. So there, just leave a nice border around the edge. I'm just going to go across with my bone folder just to give it another crease. So now we're going to use the wishing you the best and this little fox here. I thought, there it is. I thought I'd lost it then. The times when I've been crafting and there is so much all over the place and you can't find a stamp, and then you look and it'll be stuck to an ink pad or something, and you've been hunting all over the floor in the waste basket, and you know it's there somewhere. So we're just going to ink our stamp up on the little fox, and we'll just pop him in the corner. He's lovely. Oops, wrong corner. Just let me check which yeah, popped him in the right corner. And now we just need to add our inscription. I line it up on my grid paper so that I know it's straight. However, if it wasn't, you can always turn over and use the other side as well. So you've got two goes at it. So we're going to just pop some liquid glue on here and then attach to our grey. And I know a few of you have commented on the colours. It is nice to just come away from the traditional colours. And I've just finished a pink and grey card and gift tag, and I think most people like that as well. I'm not saying that our traditional colours aren't nice, they are, but it is nice to just try something a little bit different once in a while. So just attach to the centre of your card, making sure you're even around the edges. Now, before we do the inscription, I'll just find these dies and I'll just go through them with you. They are here somewhere. I did get them out, and Here we are. Whoops. Now you get three of the little trees. These stars are wonderful for adding to extra to the snowy backgrounds. You get the fence. You cut out for the trees, but you get a snowbank. Same here with the cabin and the little fox. You get a little fox die. So they are excellent. So it does give you more scope as well for your cards, but not necessary. So that's entirely up to you if you do decide to add them. So you will have an inscription in here called May you enjoy the peace of this beautiful season, and that's the one that we need. Now, I'm just going to, first of all, make sure it's the right way. And then I'm just going to line it up and then ink the stamp up. And then I'm going to get a piece of computer paper, because I do like to, before I stamp, just like to make sure that, well, first of all, I've got it straight on the block, and it is. I'm not going to stamp inside. I'm going to stamp on this die cut. So just get it as central as you can and just stamp. And again, if you've got 2 chances, if it's not straight or you're not happy with it, you can always turn it over. So now we're just going to pop some dimensionals on the back, just to pop it off the card. And I'm just going to put 5. You will have some extras in your pack as well. Just peel, oops. Oh, I'm sticking to it now. Just peel all the pieces off. And you can pop it left, right, you can pop it in the centre. But just make sure. I keep sticking to these. Just make sure wherever you pop it, just make sure it's nice and straight. And then you'll have some silver twine, and you can make a little bow with this. And we're just going to add it, pop the bow onto a glue dot. Now, if we left the glue dot just round, when it went in the envelope, it would stick to it. So we just roll it slightly, and then when you actually pop the bow on, it completely covers the glue. Now I've popped this bow somewhere. I made it earlier. I will find it in a, here we are. I just want that little, just let me turn it round. We pull the 2 pieces down. There we are. It will attach to the glue. So have fun making this, and again, any questions, you can send me pictures, ask anything you want. I will be more than happy to answer any questions. So we will join again next week at the same time. See you soon.